You bought your dream piece of land in Belize, now you're about to build your dream house. And something that you're gonna be surprised about is we have some pretty impressive import duties on all of our construction material. But if you buy things that are domestic in country, then you don't have to pay those and you get really great prices and really good products. So this is a slice of a stone that came from this mountain over here on the Hummingbird Highway. And they have all these different beautiful types of stone that are available locally right here. When you're building, try to use natural local materials and you're gonna have better quality and it's gonna cost way less than if you try to just like import something. So you can see Nature Craft Stone, Twin Hill. We are right off the Hummingbird Highway. Really cool stuff. Definitely check them out. I don't get a referral fee, so you don't even have to tell them that I sent you. You're still gonna get a good price. If you want the best, call Celeste.
Natural split.
Oh, okay, natural split. Okay,
Natural
so
split.
beautiful. Okay, natural split. What kind of, is this limestone or?
Thin or common white marble.
White mall, okay.
It's marble, really. They call it marble.
It's marble? Yeah, I didn't know that white mall is marble.
Well, it is the fragile part of the marble.
Oh, okay.
The deeper it gets, the composition is marble. It's just not compact quite as good.
Okay.
So it's kind of brittle.
So are these ones marble then?
Yeah, they're all marble. These are pavers.
Oh man, imagine having marble pavers. That's baller.
Yeah, that's.
How much is one of these?
I think $8.50 a piece.
Belize?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I could afford that. That's not bad.
It's not too many.
Yeah.
And then
I could do my garden. That's it.
Clouds here ready to go.
What are these?
The same clouds you were
Oh,
holding
okay.
there.
All
They
right.
are very nice for swimming pool cooping, the edge of the pool.
Okay.
Or steps. Really good
Yeah.
for steps. This is the same thing. This one is raw one, not sandblasted.
Okay.
But, yeah, and then I have heavier steps. If you want to have a nice full step somewhere. Like,
Okay. Something really.
With bowl moves to it.
Those are beautiful.
Of the blocks, I have 5-inch blocks, 2.5-inch blocks to do interlocking stacking, and then I have 7.5-inch block
Oh my goodness.
to build up a wall with interlocking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just simply lay this as a full block, like a 4-inch wall.
Mhm. I didn't know that white malt was marble. That's crazy.
Before they still need to be sandblasted though.
Okay. These are beautiful.
Got some really nice casual cuts. If you want to have a 4-inch step, this is a 4-inch. This is a coping. I made this for a coping in my showcase. Rock face front, or it could be sanded front with a bull nose.
Oh, I like how you have the option.
And then this is a tabletop. This one here,
Oh, that's
sandblasted tabletop with natural edges.
Why are these ones red?
Because the white mall has areas where it is basically red.
Oh, okay.
So this is the same marble or red marble or whatever, but they are very scarce. We do not have many available. This is the last that I got out of the quarry, and then the guy said that the rest is for him. So,
Okay.
Is very firm. You can work pretty detailed.
I feel
Like pencil trims. If you come up with the wall, and let's say in a shower stall or whatever, you do tiles or whatever, not tiles, but I mean natural tiles coming up, and then give it a little pencil trim of this color, like the breaker of a different pattern. I can cut them up to 1/2 inch and still sand them and shape them a bit. And then I have stepping stone, garden stone, whatever.
Oh, pretty. Oh, these are beautiful.
Slabs.
These are pretty.
Yeah, they're really nice. Cutting. Here's the slab of the white. Now this one's been out in the rain for about 10 years. so they do need a little washing every now and then, but that can be done.
Okay.
Now, excellent for steps, just kind of lame, like garden steps. Here we have some inventory on old rustics, the mill piles, old rustics. I have yellow, wilderness yellow palm and cedar. I have forest black palm. This is forest black old rustic. I got quite a bit of that here.
Mm-hmm.
So there's some tropical white rubble. I hand pitch him.
Oh, okay.
Like
Yeah.
patchwork, I just piece them up again and then hand pitch them around and then sandblast them so that they have an even color.
Mm-hmm.